Hi guys, just Ash here. Thank you for coming back for one of my videos. Hopefully you're liking, commenting, and sharing these videos where you share videos. And in today's video, I'll be sharing you my quarantine snacks. And I use that very lightly because these snacks I purchase time and time again. And then I have a few that are new to me that I wanted to share with you guys. So definitely comment down below any snacks that you want me to try or you've been loving during this time, and let's jump right into today's video. So in this video, I'll be sharing a lot of snacks covering all the bases as far as chips, sweets, ice creams, things like that. So let's jump right in. So the first snack that I have here are these Cheetos in the Flaming Hot variety. This one is the Flaming Hot with lime, but I usually rotate between the Cheetos Hot Puffs or the Hot Funyuns or the original, but this time I have the lime. This one is bomb. The lime just does something to it. I really enjoy this. And all these snacks, you can pretty much find it at Walmart, Dollar General, even Dollar Tree. So I picked this one up. The next chips I have here are these Voodoo chips. These I pick up all the time. I think they are bomb. This is a 2.6 ounce, but I've seen a little bit bigger. But of course they're more than $1. This size is $1 at Dollar General. So I picked it up. And it is a cross between like a salt and vinegar and a barbecue chip, in my opinion. As well as be careful if you do decide to pick this up. Don't be snacking all reckless because this is Kettle Chips. So they are a lot more crunchier than normal chips, and this shit can tear the roof of your mouth up. So tread lightly when chewing, but nonetheless, the flavor is bomb. Another one that I would recommend that I can't find a lot of places is Shebang chips. If you know about Shebangs, comment down below. But those are another chips very similar to these Voodoo chips. So, but I can more likely find this, and it is $1. Next are these Kettle Corn popcorn. This I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. It's a 3-pack for $1, of course. I don't buy regular buttered popcorn anymore. I pretty much buy this Kettle Corn. It's not too sweet, but it is sweet and buttery all at the same time. So I definitely like popping this when it's time to binge watch like a TV show or a movie on Hulu. Next is some Pop-Tarts. This is the great value kind, but I do purchase the name brand from time to time depending on what's on the shelf. They pretty much taste the same to me, in my opinion. It is the strawberry flavored. It must be the strawberry flavored with the frosting. I definitely pop this in a toaster for about like 30 seconds to a minute to get it like nice and toasty. Definitely a favorite. The sweet category, I don't have much sweets, but the one that I've been loving is this gummy fun mix, and it is in their gummy party. It comes with like gummy bears. We have this dot shape, which they're calling gummy swirls. It's just a fun mix. I first tried this in the sour kind, but I don't really too much like sour candies all that often because they're a lot more messy and all that sugar gets in the bed, and then you gotta get up and dust the bed off. So I prefer just plain gummies. But the sour one is pretty good. And I did see another kind, which is the soda pop. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm just gonna stick to these. These are new to me. I have seen them a lot of places. Again, Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. So I picked this up. and clearly you can tell your girl been loving it. So the next candy that I got is a chocolate bar, and it is this Hershey's white chocolate with almonds. I usually buy the milk chocolate, but I seen that they had the white chocolate version, so you know I had to pick it up. I don't like plain chocolate. I always purchase the Hershey's with almonds. So now that they have it in the white chocolate version, I'm definitely gonna continue to pick it up. I still will buy the milk chocolate, but the white chocolate is, you know, new. So moving right along to cold snacks, and that is the ice creams that I've been loving. I've been binging on ice cream as of lately. I normally buy Haagen-Dazs, rum raisin, or strawberry flavor, but I was introduced to Ben & Jerry's, and let me tell you, that's all she wrote. I haven't tried all of Ben & Jerry's flavors. Some of them just doesn't sound appealing to me, but this one, since I've tried it, I purchased it probably like 30,000 times, and it is the Ben & Jerry's half baked. This is how it looks. It is vanilla and chocolate ice cream with brownie pieces and cookie dough pieces, but I've really been liking this. Chocolate and vanilla with brownies, like what's not to like? But yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.